to the state of Haryana. In fact, we have a shocking news coming in from there. There is an incident that took place at Kartar Memorial School in Bas village of Hisar. Two minor students fatally stabbed their principal Jagbir Singh after he reprimanded them for their proper haircuts and a lack of discipline as well. And the attack occurred on the school premises following a confrontation over the school rules is what we are learning. This is shocking news coming in from Hisar, and this happened following a confrontation over the school rules. Police has now launched the investigation in this matter, and there on the screen you can see visuals from the school where this incident took place. This is a private school in Hisar where the principal was stabbed to death by a teenage student aged around 15 years inside the premises of the Haryana's Hisar district. The police is saying that efforts are on to nab the juveniles in conflict with the law. Now, what we're learning so far is that the students were offended by Principal Jagbir Singh, reprimanding them for not adhering to the school rules and regulation, asking them to discipline themselves. And that is why, after this, they stabbed the principal. Let me go across to my colleague Lalit, who joins us live in the broadcast with more details. Lalit, tell us what happened in the school and also about the investigation, because we're learning that these two students are still on the run.
If we talk about this incident is said to be reported in the morning around 10:30 when this happened in the school premises, when two minors of class 11th and 12th stabbed the principal and the owner of the Kartar Memorial School in the Hisar district in the Bas village of Narnon. So the two minor students stabbed the principal on the confrontation when the school principal reprimanded school discipline to have haircuts and to properly get dressed up in the school. But this was also sent prior notices before also, but the minors got angry, and today in a fate both the minors stabbed the school principal, after which he was rushed to a private hospital from where he was shifted to the Hisar hospital where he has come to the injuries. Right now, if you talk about the investigation, both the minors are still at large and police is trying to nab them. The CCTV footage have also been recovered. Apart from that, if you talk about right now the investigation is on. Back to the studio.
Absolutely. What we're learning is that this principal used to ask these boys to tuck in their t-shirts to get a haircut, and after this incident took place, we're learning that the principal sustained injuries on his neck. There were 4 to 5 stab wounds on his neck, and this happened around 10 to 10:30 a.m. in the morning, and he was declared brought dead at the private hospital in Hisar. And the weapon that was used for this offense was just a normal knife that has been seized. As my colleague also pointed out, CCTV footage has also been recovered from the spot, and there you can see on your screens police officers are there at the spot, and the hunt is on to nab these two students who in fact did this crime. As far as this case is concerned, very shocking in fact visuals that we are getting from that school as well. Lalit, tell us exactly where this school is in Hisar and what the police is saying right now.
Exactly, if you talk about the school, it's in the Narnon.
Lalit, stay on with us. In fact, we have the CCTV footage of that very incident that we will be showing to our viewers in just some time. We'll be showing how that incident happened, and this is in fact a shocking incident that has come to the fore from Hisar in Haryana. There in the visuals, you can see that is, in fact, those are the kids that you can see outside the school just running, and it appears that this is happening after they committed the crime. The visuals are from outside the school premises, as we can see on the visuals, and after committing this crime, the two students who are currently on the run as well, they are seen running away, sprinting away, as can be seen through these CCTV visuals. And these are the, in fact, visuals coming from inside the school where this incident took place, and it appears that the students are also rattled by what happened there. These two students stabbed their principal for just merely asking them to tuck their t-shirts in to get a haircut. They stabbed the principal and he was brought dead to the hospital. Lalit, we are showing our viewers the CCTV footage. On the screen, we can see those two children running away, sprinting away after they committed the crime. Explain these visuals to us.
These are the exclusive visuals which the Republic TV has accessed, and in these visuals you can clearly see how the students, those minors after committing the suicide, could be seen running from the spot. Apart from that, if we talk about this whole incident, is said to be reported early in the morning from 10 to 10:30 a.m. when two minors have a confrontation with the school principal, who is also the owner of the Kartar Memorial School in the Narnon area, in the Bas village of Narnon. So the school principal have asked to maintain a proper discipline, to have a proper haircut, and to be properly dressed up the school uniform. So the school, both the minors got angry, as this has prior sent notices to both the students. So today, in a fit of anger, you can see that both the minors have brought a knife and they stabbed the school principal around 4 to 5 times, and after that both the students just ran away from the school premises. So it is clearly visible in the visual seen both the students running, and after that it could be seen that the school principal has been rushed immediately to a private hospital where he succumbed to the injuries. So right now the investigation is on, but it's a very shocking incident which has come into light, where two minors just stabbed the school principal, the owner of the Kartar Memorial School in the Narnon Bas village of Hisar.
Absolutely, Lalit. The hunt is on to nab these individuals that can be seen sprinting away from the school there on the visuals. That is the CCTV footage that you've gotten for us as far as this incident is concerned. Thank you so much for tracking all the details.